Hello and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. So we have a long length wig that we are going to be reviewing today. It is from the Laude & Company line. This is the UG007 Deana. If you're interested in what she looks like, please stay tuned. Deana does come in specialty colors. Although for this particular review, I am going to wear the color TBH427. We'll have some more information shortly about Deana. This is the antibacterial FlexFit Cap. It stretches. So we do have the adjustable band at the nape of the wig. We also have that comb at the nape of the wig. And in the front of the wig, we do have two smaller combs on the right and left sides. And as you can see, she does have these soft bangs around the front of the wig. So we'll be back wearing Deana shortly. I would like to invite you all, before I put on the wig, to subscribe to the channel, and if you're liking the information, go ahead and hit that like button. Some additional information pertaining to Deana listed on the stock card. She does have that antibacterial cap. It is a FlexFit cap as well, and this particular wig can hold up to 360 degrees worth of heat. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll be back next week with another wig review. Take care.